everyone, hello ladies and gentlemen. Here I will explain the material about cause and effect. But before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Aliza Khaerunnisa and I'm from Sciences 4. The cause is a thing, situation, or a reason that causes something to happen, while the effect is the result of the cause. When an event causes other event, both events have a cause and effect. Example: the cause, I missed the alarm. The effect is I woke up late. Complex tenses might consist of two clauses that have a cause and effect relationship. Example: before of the flood, my family had to find another place to live. To relate two clauses with a causal relationship, we need conjunction. As example, because houses are very expensive in New York, most people rent a studio. To connect two stances that have a causal relationship, we need stances connectors, such as CO simultaneously as a concession for this reason, therefore as a result. Example: the weather was very bad. Consequently, no one was allowed to swim on the beach. Maybe this is all I can say. Thank you for your attention.